video. So in this video we are going to talk about Microsoft Teams apps. So this is one of the online platform they can use for the communication, for example in online learning and also for the business.
Alright, and then we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantage, and also tutorial how to use the application of Microsoft Teams apps.
Ladies and gentlemen, Microsoft Teams apps has been launched in 2017, but finally in 2018 it has a free version. The question here, what is the Microsoft Teams apps? So the Microsoft Teams apps is one of the digital communication for online learning and also for the business communication. So this app is the chat-based collaboration platform that support the document sharing, the video meetings, and also there are so many features they can use for the communication business and also for the online learning. And then in the Microsoft Teams apps also, it has a lot of features that can help us to communicate with others, and then it is very interesting. First, chat. So in the apps also we can make the personal or maybe the public chat. Besides that also it has a history chat, and also we can add members quickly. The second, it is about audio and video class. So we can make a video class with others, or maybe we can send the audio chat with others. Besides that also we can make the meeting notes, and then screen sharing, and then meeting recording. The third one is about meeting. So here we can make the hour schedule in the Microsoft Teams apps. And then it is about file, which is in the file we can save our file that have been made before, or maybe we can save it in the apps, and one day when you are going to look at our file, just click it and you will know your file. The fifth one is about live events. So in the live events here talking about we can add members as much as possible. And the last one, it is about the connectively to other device. So this is what make the Microsoft Teams apps is unique, because we can open in the phone, we can open in the tablet, we can open also in the laptop. So that's all about the features of these Microsoft Teams apps.
Alright, now I'm going to explain about the advantage and the disadvantage of Microsoft Teams apps. Okay, for the first I want to explain about the advantage of Microsoft Teams apps. For the first, can manage the members of groups easily. Number 2, file editing and sharing available. Number 3, available in quality video and audio. Number 4, dedicated channel available for private and group chat. And the last is security direct from Microsoft. And the next, the disadvantage of Microsoft Teams apps. For the first, the file structures is quite confusing. This happens when multiple use wants to know where a file is and go through the folder structures to find it. And number 2, large bandwidth. Microsoft apps can be said to have greater bandwidth usage than other conference applications. Well, before we enter the Microsoft Teams applications, of course we still don't have this application. For that, we have to download this application first by entering the official site of this application. Okay, for the first, please type Microsoft Teams, and then please click download application desktop. Okay, we can see, and then here a few from Microsoft Teams applications. Alright, and then here you can choose where you want to download. You can download by desktop, and then you can download by your phone. But here, because I use desktop and I will choose to download by desktop. Alright, here you can choose where do you want to download for theme. Alright, you can see. Is it a theme for home? You can choose download for Windows 10 or download for Windows 11. But here, because we use to school, and I choose download for themes for school. Alright, if done, please wait for a few minutes to download this application. First or later, this application is downloaded depending on the network you have. Alright, please wait. And if done to download, please wait to installing the application. Alright, if done to installing this application, please sync up. Alright, please wait. Okay, alright. Here we are asked to enter an email address. For example, Audian Lowly 1.gmail.com. Alright, click next. Alright, how do you want to use them? Please click for school. Alright, click next. Alright, this is the display after we enter the email address. And then please sync up. Okay, please wait. Okay, after done, please click sync in or create a free Microsoft account. Please wait. Alright, here we can see the main screen after we are done to register. Okay, after we are done to register, we will enter in the next step how to operate this application. Alright, that's all, and thanks.
Well everyone, after we make the new account, now we are going to open the application just like this. And then because we are a new member here, so we can make a video call or video class. So now please click the dashboard. So there are so many features here, for example, sharing location, sharing photo, and so on. So first, for example, like sharing location, you can share your location to others. And then also you can share your picture or the file maybe. And then please click the sync plus in the top. And then just find which picture you want to post. And then here also we are going to know about how to make a meetings. So just click the do the meeting, and then this is the name of the meeting, and then just start the meeting also, or maybe you can send the link of the meeting to others just like this. For example, you click it and then copy it and share to others. So on also in the public chat also there are so many kinds of chatting. For example, send the emoji and so on. So here please click when you are going to add the members, just find the contact here, for example Donata here, and then click the greetings here, and then just send. But it is especially for the message of the cellular, but if you are going to send to WhatsApp, it has a different way. Okay, next we are going to learn about, okay, here just click the, okay, here is the way how to add a new member. Okay, just send the link as I explained before and send to the group or to the personal in the WhatsApp maybe. Okay, let me search it firstly. Okay, there you go. Well everyone, that's all about our explanation about how to use the Microsoft Teams apps. I hope it's useful for you, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.